and they have 3 sides that are congruent to 3 other sides of another triangle. Okay? If I have side, angle, side, I have 2 triangles where I have a side and a side that are congruent, an angle that's congruent, and another side where the angle is in between the 2 sides. Does that make sense? Side, angle, side is the angle is in between the 2 sides. Okay? If we have angle, side, angle is an angle, a side, and an angle. If we cannot stop talking while I'm teaching, you can leave my classroom. I will write you a pass to ISS. Angle, side, angle, the side is in between the 2 angles. Where if I do angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side, see how the side is not in between the 2 sides? That's important. That this is angle, angle, side, and this is angle, side, angle. That difference is really important. Where this is side, angle, side, and this is side, side, side. It's very important when you're looking at triangles and you see that you have 2 sides that you notice the angle is in the middle, because if the angle is not in the middle, it doesn't work. It's not congruent. Okay? All right. We're going to skip the other homework for just a second because I want to go over the word problems for today. I'm going to do number 1 with you. Okay? And then you guys are going to do the rest on your own. And then you have to finish it in class today. Okay? So, Tyson has 3 sticks of lengths 24, 28, and 30. Is it possible to make 2 non-congruent triangles using these sticks? So this first one should be pretty straightforward. Actually, let's skip that first one. That's too easy. Let's try number 2 instead. The easy one I should have you guys do on your own, right? Sonia made a sheet cake of baklava. She has markings on her pan so that she can cut them into large squares. After she cuts the pastry in squares, she cuts them diagonally to form 2 congruent triangles. Which postulate would you use to prove that these 2 triangles are congruent? Okay, first of all, it's a square pan, correct? They're squares. So that means what? What is true about squares? What's congruent? Not everything, but the angles and sides. So I have all my sides are congruent to each other. Okay? So she cut them in half. How do I prove that these 2 triangles are congruent? What could I use? So what's congruent right here? This is congruent to itself, right? So I could use side, side, side. Or because I know it is a square, right? I also know that squares meet at 90-degree angles, right? So I could also use side, angle, side. Okay? So that's what we're going to do here for this. I am going to stop this recording now and I'm going to go over your homework from Friday.